Hey everybody, Josh over here at CFT. Another new product for y'all. We have our CNC done resonator delete pipes. So they'll go right into place where this crappy plastic, big old huge muffle deal was. So they're stupid simple to put on. Literally just remove the factory unit right on the back side. Easiest way is this is bolted in with 3 bolts. Has a sensor up top holding it on with 2 bolts. Just get that unbolted. Then you just loosen 2 worm gear clamps on the boot. The new unit, you'll pull the snap ring off. And then the new unit will literally go right into place. Then you can take your snap ring and lock it back in. Then you tighten up your 2 clamps and you're done. Super simple, easy unit, cheap. It's at cftperformance.com. We offer free shipping worldwide, shipping everywhere. And we also have 6,500 prismatic powder coat color options. So if you don't like the raw aluminum look, we got 6,500 color options to match up to the color you want.